stock electrical other than AGM.
Okay. So you have just this battery here, nothing under the hood upgraded? Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Hey. What's going on, man?
What's up, bro?
Jacob Vile, do YouTube videos. What's your name and what's in here?
Jacob, I got 2 Genius Audio Extreme Cop 15s on MD8K. And
Okay.
all stock electrical other than AGM.
Okay. So you have just this battery here, nothing under the hood upgraded?
Nothing under the hood.
Did you do the big three?
Nope, no big 3 yet.
Okay. Did you build the box?
Yeah, I built the box, did everything.
Looks good. I like it. Do you know your box specs at all? Like the size of the cubic or tuning?
It's around 7 cubes, tuned to about 35 hertz, but I can play down real low into the 18s range.
Okay. Nice. That's good. Did you ever do any SPL tests yet?
Not yet. But I mean, I got the little in-dash meter, but other than that, not yet. Not on an actual meter yet.
Okay. And last thing, what vehicle?
2012 Police Impala.
Police Impala. Okay.
Sir.
Appreciate it. Any plans for upgrades on alternator?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Definitely.
Oh yeah. Sounds good. How was your voltage? I didn't ever see a meter.
11.
11 volts? Was your lowest? Okay. After you upgrade all, it'll help. You have a good day, man. Very nice. And it slid in? You didn't build in?
Yeah, I slid it in, yeah.
Very nice. Got your optimal space, but you said it's still kind of small?
Yeah, it's still small, but the next one I get in, I'm gonna get it built by a guy named Cody. I don't remember his last name.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get it sealed out.
How far back does your port go?
Like right here.
Okay, so your port's on the screw holes.
Yes,
Got it.
sir.
Very nice. Tuned very low. All right, you have a good day.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it.
Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Looks good, man. a good song, Dirty Diana.
Yeah.
Awesome, man. What frequency response was that? That's pretty low.
We're playing at 24 hertz.
Very nice. Subwoofers are doing good. Thank you for the demo, man.
Yes, sir.
Sounds
Appreciate
good.
you.
Jacob and Jacob.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Double demo. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.